Reminder: third quarter estimated taxes due. Now is the time to make your estimated tax payment. If you have not already done so, now is the time to review your tax situation and make an estimated quarterly tax payment using Form 1040-S. The third quarter due date is nowhere. Due date: Tuesday, September 15, 2020. Remember, you are required to withhold at least 90% of your current tax obligation or 100% of last year's obligation. A quick look at last year's tax return and a projection of this year's obligation can help determine if a payment is necessary. Here are some other things to consider. Avoid an underpayment penalty. If you do not have proper tax withholdings during the year, you could be subject to an underpayment penalty. The penalty can occur if you do not have proper withholdings throughout the year. W-2 withholdings have special treatment. A W-2 withholding payment can be made at any time during the year and be treated as if it was made throughout the year. If you do not have enough to pay the estimated quarterly payment now, you may be able to adjust your W-2 withholdings to make up the difference. Self-employed need to account for FICA taxes. Remember to account for your Social Security and Medicare taxes as well. Creating and funding a savings account for this purpose can help avoid the cash flow hit each quarter when you pay your estimated taxes. Don't forget state obligations. With the exception of a few states, you are often also required to make estimated state tax payments if you're required to do so for your federal taxes. Consider conducting a review of your state obligations to ensure you meet these quarterly estimated tax payments as well. If your income is over $150,000, $75,000 if married filing separate, you must pay 110% of last year's tax obligation to be safe from an underpayment penalty.